Hi everybody, so just a real quick one. We got all that bread in the food pantry today, so me and Emma decided, since how it's so darn warm out, we're just having peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. But Emma does not like peanut butter and jelly sandwiches unless they are toasted or done like this. So if you have a kid that doesn't like peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, it may be just the shape of them or something like that. Because if we do this, and this bread's very soft, it is so good. Yes, I'm cutting directly on my counter because I do that. I'm the one that's going to change it out eventually. There. Peanut butter and jelly bites. This is how she'll eat her sandwiches without them being toasted. And then if I had some toothpicks, I'd give her a toothpick. But I don't. So this right here works just as well. It is one chopstick.
Pick a crusty piece.
Pick a crusty piece? Well, I was going to feed it to you.
Oh, we'll pick a non-crusty piece. I thought she was going to eat it. I don't like the crust that much.
And she will eat it that way.
Mm-hmm. Not as soft and chewy this way.
We call them peanut butter and jelly bites. That's it. That's how you serve them, right there. And yes, in the summertime, it has to be on the disposable plates. Because Mama don't like doing the dishes. That's it. That's her dinner right there.
And you always need a glass of milk to go with it.
And she does get a glass of milk with it, yes.
Yeah.
But that's what you need. We'll make sure these ones cut exactly apart. And it's okay that they're not the same sizes. They don't have to be. This is not Gordon Ramsay's kitchen nightmare. This is my kitchen nightmare. Because then I gotta clean up the... And I may have put a little extra jelly on here. Just because we're extra.
You donut.
Huh?
That's what Gordon Ramsay says? You donut?
Is that where Phil gets it from?
Yeah.
He's forever calling me and Mom donuts.
Because he likes Gordon Ramsay.
But there. Peanut butter and jelly bites. I guarantee your kids will eat them. Especially if you give them something fun to poke them with. That's it. And then you have just a simple little mess to clean up. That's what the wipes on the counter are for. If you haven't set wipes on your counter, and you have messy little teenagers like I do it. Because Emma cleans up the counters.
I get after everybody else for not cleaning up the counters.
She does! And Emma's like my messiest person in this house. Alright. So, she cleans them. And one day, Greg didn't clean the counters after he was cooking, and then Emma had to cook right after him. She told him, she's like, see these right here, Greg? You take and you pull them out. You rip one off. And then you wipey the counter.
I love being like that with people. It's so funny.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's
it's my
Emma.
favorite thing.
So, there we go. Wipes on the counter. There's my tips. And my food pantry video for today. Because that's what we made. Was peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. So, I hope you all enjoyed watching. Hope you try it out on your kids and let me know how it goes. We'll see you on the next one. Like, subscribe, and share.